In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Magento 2 public and private keys for API integration. If you're looking to establish a seamless connection between your Magento store and other applications, setting up an API integration with both public and private keys is essential. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you grasp each detail and feel confident performing these actions yourself. We'll start by logging into your Magento 2 admin panel. You'll need your username and password handy. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu and scroll down until you find Stores. Click on it, and you'll see a menu appear with various options. Under the Extensions category, you'll find Integrations. Give that a click, and it'll lead you to the Integrations page. Now that we're on the Integrations page, it's time to create a new integration. Look for the orange Add New Integration button located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be directed to the new integration page where you'll need to fill in some essential information under integration info. This includes the name and email fields. Here, enter a descriptive name for your integration, like ShipTown, and input the email addresses you wish to associate, say support@ship.town. Filling these fields appropriately will help keep everything organized and identifiable later. With the basic information in place, we need